Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for rate of change. Two parallel sides of a rectangle. So we have the rectangle and we have, let's say, here y, here x, and here x, and here y. So each increasing in the length at the rate 2 cm per second. So while the other two parallel sides shorten so that the rectangle has the constant rate 50 cm squared. So based on the situation, so we say, let's say we say dx dt increasing for 2 cm as -1, so automatically the y will be shortened. Okay, then they say the area must has the constant area, so a which is equals to 50 cm squared. Continue. If at the time t, the length of each lengthening side is x. So here they say the lengthening means the increasing is the x, and the length of each shortening is the y, and the perimeter of the rectangle, so perimeter total is the p. So the question asks us to show dp dt, which is equals to 4 multiplied by 1 minus y over x. So let's begin. So number one, we have the situation A, which is the area. So area we have xy. So if we substitute 50 equals to xy, that is a constant. Next, we have the perimeter. So perimeter we have 2x plus with the 2y. So in here they mentions that we have the dx dt, which is equals to the 2. So what we have to do now is to differentiate the situation with respect to x or respect to y. Okay, so for this case, my suggestion is to respect to t because they mentioned about the rate. So differentiate the 50, so we'll have 0. So in here, product rule, we have y, so dx dt. Then only we can make use of the dx dt or the dy dt on the information side. Plus, we have the situation x. If we differentiate the y, we have the dy dt. So that is the info that we have on the left hand side. If we substitute the dx dt, which is equals to 2, then we will have the situation 0, which is equals to 2y, and then plus with the x dy dt. So if we rewrite the situation, we have the dy dt, which is equals to negative 2y over the x. So that one is the combination, or we make use of the information that we have in the area. Let's focus on the perimeter. So for this case, we have dp dt. Differentiate the 2x, so we will have 2 dx dt, plus we have 2 dy dt. Make use of the situation dx dt, which is equals to 2. So we have the dp dt equals to 4 plus the 2 dy dt. So refers to the question, we want to show the dp dt. So here we have the dp dt. Next, what we have to do is to substitute the dy dt. So we have 4 and then minus 4y over the x. Factor out the 4. So we have 1 minus y over the x. So refers to the question, we have the dp dt. Then we already shown the situation given. Next, refers to the A. The question said find the rate of change in the perimeter when, so perimeter means that the dp dt, when the x is equals to 5. So refers to the A when the x is equals to 5. So what will happen with the y? We can make use of the area. 50 is equals to xy. So y will be equals to 10. So dp dt will be equals to 4 bracket 1 minus, we have the y over the x. So here we have the 2. So the value will be negative 4 cm as -1. For the part B, if the y is equals to 5, so we have 50 equals to xy. So if the y is 5, so the x will be equals to 10. So the dp dt, where we have 4 bracket, so we have 1 minus the y, which is equals to 5 over the 10. So we will have 1 over 2. So we have the situation 4 multiplied by 1 over 2. So we will have 2 cm as -1.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.